Hello, so we are setting the Brutus Sound production stage. Rio is setting our FBTs. This is the double 18 subs. Hi Rio.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Here's the
Getting
mask.
the sound ready there for the night, so Vibe could rock the house. Yes, that's right. Vibe lié.
That's right. And then we have this, and we have our drums. The congas are there with the amps and the stand for the keyboards. We're setting it up, and here's Kit and Randall. Hey Kit, hey Randall, say hi. Hello.
That's the regular FBT box? Yeah. The small FBT.
That's my husband.
No.
Stanley.